morning all. Welcome once again to our chemistry online class. On the previous session we learned about the factors influencing the change of state of matter. Today we are going to discuss about evaporation and what are the factors affecting evaporation. So let's begin this section. What is evaporation? Evaporation means it is a conversion of one change of state of matter to another change of state of matter. Liquid to vapor or liquid to gas. But this process is also common by one another name. What is that? That is boiling. So let's go into detail about evaporation and the factors influencing evaporation. Okay, students, how do these wet clothes get dry? Where does this water goes from these clothes? It goes to the air as water vapor. So here the change of matter is take place. What change of matter take place? Liquid is converted to vapor. We already studied about this change of conversion is known by boiling. So, does the water in this clothes get boiled? Obviously not. Then what is this process known as? This process is known as evaporation. So, in today's class, we are going to study about evaporation. Let's look some example related to evaporation in our daily life. For example, the water formed in the road disappear during the presence of sunlight. It's an example for evaporation process. When the perfume bottle is should kept at tight tent so that evaporation is occur. Sweat of a person, it's also an example for evaporation. So all these cases, evaporation is the phenomena that is occur. So in the next question, what is then common to boiling and evaporation? Since on the both the process, the conversion of change of state of matter is occur as liquid to vapor. So what is the difference between boiling and evaporation? So, what is the difference between boiling and evaporation? Boiling is normally occurs at the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. We already studied about the boiling point of liquid is always 100 degrees Celsius. But evaporation occurs the temperature below the boiling point. So this is the first difference. Second difference is boiling is a bulk phenomena, which means it is connected with the whole surface of a body. But evaporation is considered as a surface phenomenon. Third point, boiling always occurs at fast rate, but evaporation occurs at a slow rate. So, these are the difference between boiling and evaporation. Boiling occurs at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius and evaporation occurs at a temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling is a bulk phenomena, whereas evaporation is a surface phenomena. Boiling occurs at a fast rate, whereas evaporation occurs at a slow rate. But the common point between these boiling and evaporation process is the change of conversion of matter, which is liquid to vapor. Now look at the factors affecting evaporation. There are mainly 4 factors affecting the evaporation. First one is temperature. Temperature is one of the factor that affecting the evaporation. Normally during the sunny days, the clothes get dry easier. It's because as the temperature increases, the rate of evaporation increases. The second factor is surface area. As the surface area of the substance increases, the rate of evaporation also increases. Third factor is wind. As the speed of the wind increases, the evaporation rate will increase further and further. So the rate of evaporation increases with increasing speed. And fourth factor is humidity. Humidity means the amount of water content in the atmosphere, which means that when there is a low water content in the atmosphere, which means when the humidity is less, the rate of evaporation increases, and when the humidity is more, the rate of evaporation decreases. That's why during rainy days it is very difficult to dry the clothes, but during sunny days it is more easier because the humidity content is very low in the atmosphere. So these are the four factors which influence the rate of evaporation. What are the factors? Temperature, surface area, humidity and wind. These are the factors that influence the evaporation rate. Hope you understood the concept of evaporation. So what is evaporation? Evaporation is the process in which the liquid is converted to vapor and the air gets vaporized in the form of water vapor. And evaporation is considered as a surface phenomena. And it always occurs as slow process. So hope you get the concept of evaporation and the factors affecting evaporation. There are various examples in our daily life that related with the evaporation. So let's conclude this session. The related link and the notes is attached along with this video. Go through the link and download the notes. And a test paper of 5 marks is also been attached. Kindly attend that test paper without any fail. So, I am concluding this section. See you in the next with a new topic. Till then, take care. Bye students.